Hello all, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about a new chapter that is in second unit, matrices and determinants. So the knowledge of matrices is necessary in various branches of science and engineering. Matrices are one of the most powerful tools in science and engineering, particularly in mathematics and computer science. So matrix in its plural form called matrices, and it is a mathematical discipline developed to solve system of equations of first degree. So Arthur Cayley, an English mathematician, first studied the matrices in 1858, and also Jacobi, Cauchy are also contributed their inventions in the development of theory of matrices and determinants. So first of all, now we are going to see about the definition of matrix here. So the definition of matrix is, so it will come under 1 mark question in your end examination. Define matrix and give an example. So definition of matrix. A matrix is a rectangular array of numbers arranged in the form of rows and columns. This is the simple definition. So a matrix is a rectangular array of numbers arranged in the form of rows and columns. For example, so let us consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here we have arranged 10 numbers, or we should call it as 10 elements, in the form of 2 rows and 5 columns. So here horizontal వేగా అరేంజ్ చేసిన నెంబర్స్ని we should call it as row. So this is row 1, this is row 2. హారిజాంటల్గా అరేంజ్ చేసిన నెంబర్స్ లైన్ని we should call it as row, అండ్ రెక్టాంగులర్ ఫామ్లో అరేంజ్ చేసిన వాటిని we should call it as column. So column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5. So here we are having 5 columns and 2 rows, so that the order of the matrix will become 2 cross 5, or we can call it as 2 by 5 matrix. 2 by 5 matrix. So here the number of rows is not equal to the number of columns, so that we should call this matrix as rectangular matrix. And another one is, all the matrices should be denoted with capital letters only. So capital A is equal to. So first point is, matrices are denoted by capital letters. Next one is, and all the numbers present in the matrix should be denoted as element. So matrixలో ఉన్న ప్రతి ఒక్క నెంబర్ని we should call it as element, and the order of the matrix is the number of rows and the number of columns present in a given matrix is said to be order of the matrix, and it should be called by 2 by 5 or row by column matrix. So this is all about the definition of matrix, and the matrices are always denoted by capital letters only. Now let us see what are the types of matrices. So here first type is row matrix. సో ఎగ్జామ్లో మనకి టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాట్రిసెస్ అన్నప్పుడు కంపల్సరీ రైట్ ఎనీ 4 టైప్స్ ఆర్ రైట్ ఎనీ 5 టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాట్రిసెస్ విత్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ అని అడుగుతాడు. సో హియర్ అవర్ ఫస్ట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఈజ్ రో మ్యాట్రిక్స్. ఏ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఇన్ విచ్ ఆర్ ఏ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ కంటైన్స్ ఓన్లీ వన్ రో ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ రో మ్యాట్రిక్స్. ఏ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ విత్ ఓన్లీ one row and any number of columns is called row matrix. సో ఒక మ్యాట్రిక్స్లో మనకి ఓన్లీ వన్ కాలం కాదు, ఓన్లీ వన్ రో ఉండాలి అండ్ కాలమ్స్ ఎన్నైనా ఉండొచ్చు. సో ఆ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ని మనం రో మ్యాట్రిక్స్ అంటాం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఏ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 2 3 4. సో హియర్ ఓన్లీ ఒకటే వన్ రో ఉంది, రో 1. కాలమ్స్ C1 C2 C3 C4. సో 4 కాలమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి అండ్ వన్ రో ఉంది. సో అంటే వీ షుడ్ కాల్ ఇట్ యాజ్ 1/4 మ్యాట్రిక్స్. ఆర్ వీ కెన్ టేక్ B ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 3 5 7. So this is 1/3 matrix. So like this you can take any number of examples on row matrix. Next our second one is column matrix. A matrix in which it contains only one column and any number of rows is called column matrix. So a matrix having only one column and any number of rows is called column matrix. So in a matrix we should have only one column and the number of rows should be any number, but the columns number should be only one. So then we should call that matrix as a column matrix. For example, A is equal to 1 5 8. So here the number of rows are row 1, row 2, row 3. 3 rows we are having and the number of columns are only 1. So here we should call the order of the matrix as 3 cross 1. So here the number of rows are 3 and the number of columns is 1. Hence the number of columns is 1. Then we should call that matrix as column matrix. So similarly let us consider one more, 1 2. So here the number of rows are 2 and the number of columns is only 1. So here the order of the matrix is 2 cross 1. So these are the examples for column matrix. So our next matrix is rectangle matrix. So here simple, If the number of rows is not equal to number of columns, then we should call it as square. If the number of rows is not equal to the number of columns, then we should call that matrix as a rectangular matrix. So simple, the definition is number of rows is equal to number of columns. So if this condition satisfies for any given matrix, then we should call that matrix as a rectangular matrix. So here simple condition is the number of rows equal to number of columns. అయితే దాన్ని ఏమనాలి, స్క్వేర్ అనాలి. ఇక్కడ ఈక్వల్ ఉండొద్దు అంటే మీనింగ్ రెక్టాంగిల్ అనాలి. సింపుల్. సో ఇక్కడ ఈక్వల్ ఉంటే స్క్వేర్, నాట్ ఈక్వల్ ఉంటే రెక్టాంగిల్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here the number of rows are 1, 2 and the number of columns is 1, 2, 3. So here we are having for this matrix 2 rows, 3 columns. So it should be 2 by 3 matrix. So here the number of rows is not equal to the number of columns. Hence the condition satisfied. So we should call this matrix as rectangular matrix. Now our next form is square matrix. So this is fourth one, square matrix. So here rectangular matrix के opposite the square matrix. Since the number of rows not equal to number of columns is said to be rectangular matrix, here the number of rows is equal to number of columns is said to be square matrix. If the number of rows equal to number of columns, then we should call that as square matrix. So here equal to symbol undi, akkada not equal to symbol undi, just difference ante. So for example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we are having row 1, row 2, column 1, column 2. So hence the number of rows is 2 and the number of columns is also 2. So it should call it as 2 by 2 matrix. Therefore it is a square matrix. You can take another example, B equal to 4, 8, 9, 7. So here also this is a 2 by 2 matrix. This is also a square matrix. Now our next definition is scalar matrix. సో స్కేలార్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ అర్థం అవ్వాలంటే ఫస్ట్ మీకు డయాగ్నల్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ రావాలి. డయాగోనల్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. సో వాట్ ఈజ్ మీన్ బై డయాగ్నల్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్? సో పేరులోనే ఉంది, యాజ్ ద నేమ్ ఇట్ సేస్, డయాగోనల్ means a matrix in which all the diagonal elements are non-zero and the remaining elements are zeros. So a matrix in which all the diagonal elements should be non-zero or zero, but all the remaining elements except diagonal elements, all the remaining elements except diagonal elements. Should be compulsory 0. So this is the exact definition of diagonal matrix here. So a matrix in which all the diagonal elements should be non-zero or 0. It may be 0 or non-zero. You cannot bother. But all the remaining elements except the diagonal elements should be compulsorily equal to 0. So then that matrix is said to be diagonal matrix. For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is 3 by 3 matrix because we are having row 1, row 2, row 3, column 1, column 2, column 3. So every diagonal matrix is a square matrix. Every diagonal matrix is a square matrix. So rectangular matrix ki diagonal తీసుకోలేం కాబట్టి compulsory it should be square only. So here the diagonal elements are 1, 2, 3 and all the remaining elements are zeros. So hence this matrix is said to be a diagonal matrix. Now we shall come to scalar matrix. So a matrix in which all the diagonal elements should be equal. All the diagonal elements should be equal. And the remaining elements except diagonal elements should be compulsorily 0. For example, A is equal to 2, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is a scalar matrix. Because here the diagonal elements are 2, 2, 2 means all the diagonal elements are equal and the remaining elements except the diagonal elements should be compulsorily 0 అనే కండిషన్ కూడా సాటిస్ఫై అయింది కాబట్టి then we should call this matrix is scalar matrix. Our next definition is unit matrix. A matrix is said to be unit matrix. A diagonal matrix with all its diagonal elements are equal to 1. So here the definition is very simple. A diagonal matrix with all its diagonal elements are equal to 1 is said to be unit matrix. So here what is the diagonal matrix here? A diagonal matrix is a matrix in which all the diagonal elements must be 0 or non-zero, but all the remaining elements except the diagonal elements should be compulsorily equal to 0. So here, in that continuation, a diagonal matrix is said to be a unit matrix if all its diagonal elements are equal to 1. For example, A is equal to 1 0 0 1. So this is said to be diagonal matrix or unit matrix because it is a diagonal matrix as well as it is a unit matrix because all its diagonal elements are equal to 1. So here every unit matrix can also be read as identity matrix. Identity matrix denoted with I2 because it is a 2 by 2 matrix. So here we should call it as I2 or A is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So here this is a 3 by 3 matrix. This is also an identity matrix of order 3. So here a matrix is said to be unit matrix if all its diagonal elements are equal to 1 and the remaining elements are zeros. Then only we should call that matrix as unit matrix or identity matrix. So here I2 is a identity matrix of order 2, I3 is identity matrix of order 3. So our next definition is null matrix. Null matrix. So a matrix in which all the elements are equal to 0, then we should call that matrix is null matrix. So a matrix in which all the elements are zeros. A matrix in which all the elements are zeros, then that matrix is said to be a null matrix. For example, A is equal to 0 0 0 0. So it is a 2 by 2 matrix. A null matrix can also be determined by O2. So O2. O is also a capital letter denoted for null matrix and it is a second order matrix kabatti we should call it as O2. Next O3. 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So it is 3 by 3 matrix. So next comes under triangular matrices. Triangular matrices. So in these triangular matrices we are having two types. First one is upper triangular matrix, second one is lower triangular matrix. So first one is upper triangular matrix. So here the definition of upper triangular matrix is if all the elements below the principal diagonal of a square matrix are zeros. Is called upper triangular matrix. So simple definition, డయాగ్నల్ ఎలిమెంట్స్కి అప్పర్ 3 ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉంటాయి, బిలో 3 ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉంటాయి. సపోజ్ A ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు, సో హియర్ 1 2 3 ఈజ్ ఏ డయాగ్నల్ and this is a square matrix. So here diagonal ki above elements should be non-zero or 0, but below the elements should be compulsorily 0 0 0. So here 0 1 2. So this is a 3 by 3 matrix. సో కంపల్సరీ సాటిస్ఫై చేయాల్సిన కండిషన్ ఏంటంటే ఆల్ ద ఎలిమెంట్స్ బిలో ద ప్రిన్సిపల్ డయాగ్నల్ షుడ్ బి ఈక్వల్ టు 0 ఈజ్ సెట్ టు బి అప్పర్ ట్రయాంగులర్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ లెట్ us కన్సిడర్ వన్ మోర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. 4 5 0 1 2 3 0 0 0. So this is also a upper triangular matrix. Next comes is lower triangular matrix. Same definition here also. If all the elements అబోవ్ ద, ఇంతకుముందు డెఫినేషన్లో బిలో ద ప్రిన్సిపల్ డయాగ్నల్ అన్నాం, బిలో ప్లేస్లో అబోవ్ రాస్తున్నాం. అబోవ్ ద ప్రిన్సిపల్ డయాగ్నల్ ఆర్ జీరోస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ లోయర్ ట్రయాంగులర్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. సో హియర్ కంపల్సరీ సాటిస్ఫై చేయాల్సిన కండిషన్ ఏంటి అంటే ప్రిన్సిపల్ డయాగ్నల్కి అబోవ్ ఉన్న 3 ఎలిమెంట్స్ కంపల్సరీ ఇట్ షుడ్ బి ఈక్వల్ టు 0. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ A ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 2 3. So here 3 by 3 matrix. Another example 1 2 3 0 0 0. Here also 0 0 1. 3 by 3 matrix. సో కంపల్సరీ సాటిస్ఫై చేయాల్సిన కండిషన్ ఏంటి అంటే పైనున్న డయాగ్నల్ ఎలిమెంట్కి పైనున్న 3 ఎలిమెంట్స్ కూడా కంపల్సరీ 0 అవ్వాలి. సో ఇక్కడ కంపల్సరీ డయాగ్నల్ ఎలిమెంట్స్కి కిందున్న 3 ఎలిమెంట్స్ జీరోస్ అవ్వాలి. So this is all about definitions of matrices. So here up to now we have seen 10 definitions of matrices. So in exam you will be getting one question about define matrix and give one example, or write any 5 types of matrices, or write any 3 types of matrices with examples అని క్వశ్చన్ రావచ్చు. సో బాగా ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వండి. నౌ వీఆర్ మూవింగ్ ఆన్ టు అవర్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 1. So in your exercise 1 you are having total 3 topics. First one is addition of matrices. Second one is subtraction of matrices. Third one is multiplication of matrices. So these are the 3 topics you will be having in your exercise 1. So first of all let us see about addition of matrices. So how to do addition of 2 matrices. So this is our first topic. Let us take one question. 2 4 3 2. So here in exam you will be given two matrices A and B. 1 3 minus 2 5. Then you will be asking to find A plus B. So here A plus B is equal to, first of all you have to simply copy paste what is A matrix and what is B matrix, then put one plus symbol in between them. So 2 4 3 2. 1 3 minus 2 5. So here each element present in first row first column should be added with the other element present in first row first column. So first row first column లో ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్ ఈస్ 2. సో 2 ప్లస్ కరస్పాండింగ్ ప్లేస్లో ఉన్న నెంబర్ని యాడ్ చేయండి ప్లస్ 1. సో నెక్స్ట్ 4. కంపల్సరీ ప్లేసెస్ చూసుకోవాలి, ప్లేసెస్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ కావద్దు. ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్ యాడ్ చేయండి, సెకండ్ ప్లేస్ యాడ్ చేయండి, క్లోజ్. నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ ప్లేస్ ఈస్ 3 minus 2. ఫోర్త్ ప్లేస్ 2 plus 5. So here our answer is A plus B is equal to 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 plus 5 is 7. So this is the final answer for addition of two matrices. So here our next question is A is equal to 1 minus 3 2. 2 1 minus 3 4 minus 1 3. This is 3 by 3 matrix. This is also 3 by 3 matrix. So in the previous question we are seeing 2 by 2 matrix addition. So here in this question we are seeing 3 by 3 matrix addition. So here A plus B is equal to, just copy paste those two matrices and put one plus symbol between them. So 1 minus 3 2. 2 1 minus 3. 4 minus 1 3. So here also 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 4. 1 minus 2 3. So here we should add first place with the corresponding first place in second matrix. Be careful, you just concentrate on places only. So here first place is 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. And second place is minus 3 minus 2. Next third place is 2 plus minus 4 is 2 minus 4. 2 plus into minus, so 2 minus 1. Next 1 plus 3. Next minus 3 plus 4. Next 4 plus 1. Just simply add the places. Next 8th place is minus 1 minus 2. 9th place is 3 plus 3. So here we should simplify now. 1 plus 2 is 3. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So this is the final solution for the given problem. So here we have seen a 2 by 2 matrix addition and also a 3 by 3 matrix addition. Now let us see rectangle matrix addition. Here given two rectangle matrices. So here first matrix order is 2 by 3. Second matrix is also 2 by 3. So here the matrix addition is possible only when the orders of the two matrices should be equal. So if the order of the two matrices are not equal, then we can't do addition of matrices. Similarly, the subtraction of matrices is also same. The order of the two matrices should be equal. Then only we can add or subtract for those two matrices. So here we are asking to find 2a plus 3b. So 2a plus 3b is equal to, so 2 into, simply copy paste the matrix A. So here 0, 1, 2, 1 minus 3, 4 plus 3 into B 0, 2, 1, copy paste 0, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2. So here in the first step we have just copied and pasted it in the place of A and B in the question. And next here we are asking to multiply each and every element with the number 2. Here also we have to multiply each and every element with the number 3. So here 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, 2 into 4 is 8 plus. Similarly 3 into 0 is 0, 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, 3 threes are 9, 3 twos are 6. So here we have multiplied each and every element in matrix A with 2. And here we have multiplied each and every element in the matrix B is with 3. So after obtaining these two matrices, then we have to do addition. Same process we have to follow as we have followed in previous two questions. So here first place is added with the first place, second place is added with second place, third place is added with third place. So 0 plus 0 is 0 plus 0. Next 2 plus 6. Next 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 12 minus 6 plus 9, 8 plus 6. So here our final solution will be 0 plus 0 is 0, 2 plus 6 is 8, 4 plus 3 is 7, 2 plus 12 is 14, 9 minus 6 is 3, 8 plus 6 is 14 again. So this is the final solution for the question 2a plus 3b. So like this you have to solve different questions in your exercise 1. So this is all about addition of matrices. So in this addition of matrices we have seen 2 by 2 addition, 3 by 3 addition and rectangle addition. Now let us discuss about subtraction. Subtraction of matrices. This is also similar to addition only. So in place of plus symbol we have to put minus symbol. Here our first question is 2 by 2 matrix subtraction. So our first question is A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, B is equal to 3, 8, 7, 2. So here we have to find A minus B. So A minus B is equal to, simply copy paste the two given matrices and put one minus symbol in between them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 8, 7, 2. So here we have to subtract first element from first element, second element from second element, third element from third element, fourth element from fourth element. The corresponding places మాత్రమే చూసుకోండి. So 1 minus 3. So 1 minus 3. 2 minus 8. 2 minus 8. 3 minus 7. 3 minus 7. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. సో ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్ని మైనస్ చేయండి, సెకండ్ ప్లేస్ని మైనస్ చేయండి. సో జస్ట్ సీ ఓన్లీ ద ప్లేసెస్. నౌ a minus b equal to 1 minus 3 is minus 2, 2 minus 8 is minus 6, 3 minus 7 is minus 4, 4 minus 2 is plus 2. So this is the final solution for the given question. So here we have seen 2 by 2 matrix subtraction. Then we will see 3 by 3 matrix subtraction. So here our next question is, A is a 3 by 3 matrix and B is also a 3 by 3 matrix. So here we are asking to find A minus B. So in this question we have seen 2 by 2 matrix subtraction. So in this question we are going to see 3 by 3 matrix subtraction. So in the first step we have to just copy and paste it in place of A and B, and then put one minus symbol in between these two matrices. Now we have to see only the places. So here first place is subtracted with first place. So 1 minus 2. Next minus 3 minus of minus is plus 2. So minus 3 plus 2. So it's carefully you have to see the symbols. 2 minus of minus 4 is plus 4. Next 2 minus of minus 1 is plus 1. Next 1 minus 3. Minus 3 minus 4. Minus 3 minus 4. Next 4 minus 1. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 3. So here we have to see the places. First place is subtracted from first place only. Now we have to simplify now, which is equal to 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 3 plus 2 is also minus 1. 4 plus 2 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. So this is the final solution for the given question, which is known as 3 by 3 matrix subtraction. So up to now we have seen 2 by 2 matrix subtraction and also 3 by 3 matrix subtraction. Now we are going to see a rectangle matrix subtraction. So here the order of the first matrix is 2 cross 3 and the order of second matrix is also 2 cross 3. So in order to do the matrix subtraction or matrix addition, the order of the matrices should be equal. Then only we can do the addition or subtraction. So here we are asking to find 3a minus 4b. So 3a minus 4b is equal to, so simply copy paste the matrix A in A place, matrix B in B place. So 3 into 0 1 2 2 3 4 minus 4 into B matrix 1 0 0 2 minus 3 1. So here after taking A and B matrices from the question, then we have to multiply the first matrix with 3 and the second matrix with 4. So here we have to multiply each and every element in the matrix A with the element 3, and similarly each and every element in matrix B with the element 4. So 3 into 0 is 0, 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into 2 is 6, 3 2s are again 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, minus 4 1s are 4, 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, 4 2s are 8, 4 into minus 3, this is minus 12, 4 1s are 4 again. So after doing multiplication with the numbers 3 and 4, then we have to do subtraction. So first place is subtracted from first place, so 0 minus 4. 0 minus 4. Next 3 minus 0, 3 minus 0. Next 6 minus 0, 6 minus 0. 6 minus 8, 6 minus 8. 9 minus of minus will become plus. So 9 plus 12. 12 minus 4, 12 minus 4. So our answer is 0 minus 4 is minus 4. 3 minus 0 is 3. 6 minus 0 is 6. 6 minus 8 is minus 2. 9 plus 12 will become 21. 12 minus 4 is 8. So this is the final solution for the given question. So up to now we have seen addition of matrices and also subtraction of matrices. So in the next class we are going to see about multiplication of matrices. I hope you understand the today's class. Thank you all.